Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can disable the location in the Comet AI browser. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, option number one, launch the Comet AI browser, and here in the top right corner next to the URL address or the communication panel with the artificial intelligence, you will see these options here. For example, bookmarks, for instance, or copy URL. But here to the left, guys, if you hover your mouse over that area here, you will see this option. This site can access your location in this case here. So if you'd like to disable this, click into it and decide for the given website you're currently at if you'd like to allow the location or not. Simply use one of these options. Alternatively, guys, you may also set a behavior or a rule for specific websites or for the Comet AI browser in general. You may do that by clicking into Manage here, and by doing that you may get redirected to your website or your browser site settings. If you don't see that button, guys, don't worry, you can access it also through your browser settings by clicking into that drop-down menu in the top right corner, select Settings. Here in your browser settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, and from there click into Site Settings. And after that, navigate to Location under Permissions. And that's option number two, guys. Here, as previously mentioned, you can set a default behavior, for example, for websites to give them permission to ask you for a location, or to not give them the opportunity to do that or the permission by selecting Don't Allow Sites to see your location. You can always give specific permissions or exception permissions to specific websites here. And you will see also all websites that are allowed or are given the permission to see a location here listed. So you may remove them from that list by clicking into that trash button here. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.